How to stabilize one single clip multiple times inside Davinci Resolve version 18. Click on that clip and go here to Inspector, and on the Video tab we have Stabilization. Click on that one. I will modify the mode to Translation and reduce the cropping ratio from 0.5 to just 0.9 and press enter and click on the Stabilize button. Now the video is being stabilized for the first time, and that is applied onto it, and the sides are a little bit cropped down. Now to add another stabilization on top of this one, right click on the clip and new compound clip. This is similar to a folder inside Windows. New compound clip, clip 1, okay, create it. Now the name is not MP4 but compound clip, so the MP4 video is inside this folder, so called. And on top of this folder, which is called compound clip, we can add another stabilization. Notice it went back to the first one, that's the default one. So I will select the last one just like before, and a smaller cropping ratio because otherwise it will crop down way too much from the sides. Press enter and press stabilize, and now the video is being stabilized for the second time. Okay, we can add a third one if you want. New compound clip, accept it, create, and the same thing, translation and 0.9 and stabilize. And now the video is being stabilized for the third time and crop down even more. Okay, now let's analyze it a little bit. To enter into these compound clip folders, we have to right click on them and open in timeline. Now it says clip 2, and after I click on open in timeline, it will show just one, which is compound clip 1. So the rest of the clips are outside, are here on the timeline. We are currently inside the second compound clip, which contains the first compound clip. Okay, to enter into this one, same thing, open in timeline, and now it's showing the MP4 video, which is inside the compound clip 1. Unfortunately, it's not showing the compound clip 2, which is somewhere in the middle. It's showing directly the timeline. Now to get out from this one, you cannot double click on the compound clip, it's not doing anything. Unfortunately, you have to double click on the timeline and it will get out all the way to the timeline. And somewhere here, I think is that one. Now let's analyze it a little bit more. In the media pool we have these compound clip 1 and compound clip 2, which are inside these, and if I simply delete one of those, select it and press delete on the keyboard, delete, then this clip is unusable. So the clip itself is this one, yellow-legged gull. It's there but it's not reading it because one compound clip is missing. If I delete the other one also, same thing. Now even the thumbnail disappeared. So undo, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, and now it's back. Here it's not yet updated, but the video here is visible. If you want to get rid of the compound clips, then right click on it, decompose in place using clips only, and from clip 2 it should get clip 1. Yes. The thumbnail is back also, and the clip 1 can be also decomposed using clips only, and now it's showing the MP4. And now we are back to one single stabilization. And now, since it was decomposed, now if you want you can delete these compound clips. Hold down the Ctrl key to select both of them, press delete, and it's gone. Now it's back to one single stabilization, and the video is not invisible, it's not offline, but it's there. So that's how to stabilize a single clip multiple times in Davinci Resolve version 18.